Good morning, Restore Church. It's Jordan Taylor here, and there is a lot of stuff going on here at Restore Church. So let's head on inside and check out just a little bit of what's happening in this week's rNews. June 16th is the third Friday of the month, and that means, yeah, you're right, you guessed it, Family Bonfire Night. Man, I am so excited. This month's Family Bonfire Night is going to be kicking off at 7:30 p.m. and run till about 9:30. We ask that if you're planning on attending this event that you head on over to restorechurch.net underneath the events tab and register. That way we can have enough s'more supplies for all of those who plan to attend. Can't wait to see you June 16th, 7:30 for our Family Bonfire Night. All right, guys, check this thing out. In here, I've got an apron. I've got a spatula. I got some tongs. I got some meat shredding claws. I have some dry rubs. I have all the accoutrements from brushes to basting brushes to thermometers that you could need for grilling. And best yet, all of this comes in a cooler that's also a backpack. How cool is that? If you're anything like me, you're probably asking, how do I get my hands on one of these kits? Well, the answer is very simple. We have 3 of them that we're giving away, one during each of our 3 services on Father's Day, June 18th. All you gotta do to be entered is show up. And if you don't win one, that's okay. We have some freshly grilled kebabs to hand you on your way out, just to say we love you and that we appreciate all of you do for us as dads. Happy Father's Day, and I'll see you June 18th.
That's right, it's getting close. Mega Kids Camp is on its way. There's 2 things that I need you to make sure you do. List takers, note takers, to-do list people, people who elbow their spouses to make sure that they do that stuff. Here's the 2 things that you need to do. One is time to volunteer. We've got our spiritual coaches, we've got our head coaches for each one of our camps, and now I gotta fill out those teams to make sure they've got volunteers to take care of all the kids that are coming. That's one thing that you can do. The other thing to do is start inviting kids and registering kids. Our goal is to have more kids from outside the church attend than kids who attend inside the church. We want to start reaching out. All right, so 2 things that you can do. Look for the QR codes. You're registering your kids and inviting friends, and you're going to set up to volunteer, right? Because it's getting close.
And now it's time for this week's Kingdom Builders Highlight. And this week's Kingdom Builders Highlight is Mega Kids Camp. Mega Kids Camp has evolved over the years from just including sports and being run by outside volunteers to a 4-night event that is fully sourced and run by Restore Church volunteers. We've also moved away from offering just sports to now include sessions on bucket drumming, slime experiments, dance, gymnastics, and airsoft building in addition to the sports of soccer and dodgeball. The camp focuses all of these activities through the lens of how Jesus instructs us to live. This year, our theme is Jesus Said What? And it will focus on the truth of how Jesus has taught us to live, worship God, and treat others. Sign your child up, take some cards so your child can invite their friends and neighbors. Invite cards are at Our Kids guest service counter, or reach out to Pastor Thomas with questions or to get involved as a volunteer yourself.